You're about to see a car that doesn't just belong to history, it helped create it. The 1932 Chevrolet BA is from an era when cars weren't about luxury screens or speed records, they were about durability, simplicity, and the beginning of real automotive culture. From the very first look, you can tell this machine is different. The design is upright, bold, and mechanical. Separate fenders, a tall grille, round headlights, and exposed details give it that unmistakable vintage character. It doesn't try to be sleek or aerodynamic like modern cars, because back then, function came before form. And somehow, that raw simplicity makes it beautiful in its own way. But here's what makes this car truly special. It represents a time when driving itself was still new and exciting. Under the hood, the 1932 Chevrolet BA came with a 3.2-liter inline-six engine, producing around 60 horsepower. Now that might sound small today, but in its time, it was reliable and strong enough to handle everyday roads, which were far from perfect. This wasn't about speed, it was about getting from one place to another without breaking down. And the driving experience? Completely different from anything today. There's no power steering, no automatic transmission, no electronic assistance. Every movement requires effort. Turning the wheel, shifting gears, even braking, you feel everything. It demands patience and attention, and that's what made drivers truly connected to their cars. Step inside, and you'll notice how simple everything is. A basic dashboard, analog gauges, and wide bench seating. No screens, no technology, no distractions. Just the essentials. It feels more like a mechanical tool than a luxury vehicle, and that's exactly what it was designed to be. But don't underestimate its importance. Cars like the 1932 Chevrolet BA played a huge role in making automobiles accessible to more people. It helped build trust in cars as reliable machines, not just experiments. It was part of the generation that moved society from horse-drawn transport to motorized travel. And that's where its real value lies. Not in speed, not in luxury, but in legacy. Today, seeing one of these on the road or at a car show feels like stepping back in time. The sound of the engine, the look of the body, the way it moves, everything tells a story. A story of innovation, progress, and the early days of the automotive world. Now imagine this. You're sitting behind that large steering wheel, the engine starts with a mechanical rumble, and you slowly begin to move forward. No rush, no pressure, just a calm, steady drive through a simpler time. That's not just driving. That's history in motion. And honestly, the 1932 Chevrolet BA reminds us of something important. Before speed, before luxury, before technology, cars were about freedom. The freedom to move, explore, and experience the world in a completely new way. So the real question is, in today's fast, high-tech world, do we still appreciate where it all started?